Hey, g'day people, it's Matt here from Macrocarpa. So today I'm going to carve out of this. This is a very light wood. It is Macrocarpa. It's very soft, it's easy to carve. I think the equivalent would be basswood overseas, but I think that might be a little bit softer. Anyway, so this is Macrocarpa, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to carve a sort of a bowl shape in it with this. This is the Arbitec bowl gouge. And what am I carving? I'm carving a chicken bowl. Yes, that's right, a chicken bowl. Saw it on the internet and I thought, chicken bowl, everyone needs one. I'm gonna carve one of those. So one chicken bowl coming up. Okay, so this is the Arbitec bowl gouge, and as you can see, it's really taking those chips out. It doesn't really produce sawdust, but more chips. And it's really good for concaves in wood. I've done spoons, bowls, cups, you name it. It's just a great little tool. It is pretty vicious though, so you got to be careful. I always wear leather gloves with this one and a very strong apron. This is the little Terrier burr. It's a lot like the ball gouge, and it has little cups and it scoops the wood out, so it produces chips as opposed to sawdust. Great for shaping. And here we are, we're moving on to the Cutsil Extreme burr and just doing some final shaping on the outside with this. And then I move on to more detailed work. So here I am, I speed up here of course. Okay, so we're moving on to the more detailed work, and I'm using a Dremel high-speed cutter for this, and this is a really nice sharp line. So I'm using that, just going freehand, working out where to put them. I've done this type of line quite a few times before, so I'd probably draw it if I was doing it for the first time. Okay, so I've decided to put a wood stain on, and this is antique mahogany wood stain, and I think it looks pretty cool. I sort of gone for a two-tone kind of look, so the outside's going to be that, and the inside just the natural wood finished with a beeswax. So I'd just like to remind you, if you like this video, it'd be great if you could give it a thumbs up, and yeah, thanks for watching.